Hi, it's Ben here again, and it's been a couple of months since putting together the videos you've just watched. I've had a lot of good conversations over the last couple of months from people who have seen the videos, and they've told me that the videos are clear in what Rockstar for a Day is, why it's a work-at-home mum opportunity, what they'll do if they got involved, the costs, the equipment they get, all that type of detail has been great. The one question I'm now getting, which is across the board, is how do I finance my business? And so I've put this video together to address that head on and to make sure that I give you as much information that I can possibly give you so you can make an informed, educated decision. Now, some of this information, or all this information is general in nature. I don't give you any advice because your situation, your financial situation is different to the next person's. So you need to see an accountant or financial advisor or bank to see what options you've got. Now, two of the most obvious options to finance a business are as follows. Number one, if you've got a home, if you've got some equity in your house, you may choose to increase your home loan, and because the term is normally longer in a home loan, and because the interest rate is normally lower, it means that the repayments per month for your business would be less. Downside is you're paying it off over a longer term. That's something that you'd discuss with your bank and with an accountant and make an informed decision. The second thing, if you don't have a house, your option really is to have an unsecured loan. An unsecured loan is one that you don't give anything as security, so the bank can't take anything from you if you can't pay it back, which is the worst case scenario. Unsecured loans can be provided for personal use or business use. Some banks like Citibank have unsecured loans up to $50,000. Obviously, the terms are normally shorter, like 7 years. The interest rate's normally higher, and you'll need to address anything that you need to look at to see which option's right for you for your business. And once again, that's your accountant's job or a financial advisor. And there's one thing that will come up either way. It doesn't matter how you finance your business, a bank will look at your income and they won't take into account the future income into your business. So you might have to do a joint application and rely on someone else's income, it might be a partner, to actually finance your business. They need to show that there's some income coming in to repay the loan. So that's one thing that doesn't matter which way you go, you're going to have. If you've got no income, you've stopped your job and now you're sort of working out what you want to do next, and you've got no income, the applications from the banks will probably be declined. Okay, secondly, some banks might ask for financial statements or forward cash flow budgets. A forward cash flow budget is simply an estimate, a guess of what the business, your new Rockstar business, would do in the next 3, 6, 12 months. And that's really hard to provide because from 150 work-at-home mums that we'll have on board, we don't know who's going to do really good and who's going to sit on their hands and do nothing. And it's one of our big concerns in the business to get people involved who don't make it work for themselves. So we're very careful in not providing financials, not providing any forward cash flow budgets or guarantees. Primarily, and I'll be honest and upfront about this, the Franchise Code of Conduct means that we're legally liable for any losses associated with promising something that's not delivered. We've got to be very, very careful. I wish I could talk about it more, but our hands are tied. So, and similarly, your hands might be tied with that at the bank as well, or not. It might not be an issue. So it's a matter of talking to the bank and seeing what they want. Now, I'm a big fan, having been a banker for many, many years, I'm a big fan of brokers. A broker is someone who's got access to all different types of lenders. They will look at your specific scenario and work out which lender is more likely to lend you money than other lenders. Some banks won't lend unsecured. They'll want a mortgage over your property. Some will. Citibank, for example, $50,000 unsecured at the moment. So a broker is a really good way to go. So your next step, if you're interested in a Rockstar for a Day franchise, your next step is to see if you can secure finance. And if there's any questions you've got, anything that you need from me that I can help you in general terms, then I'm happy to provide that for you. Obviously, I can't provide financial statements or forward cash flow projections. We can tell you that Every kids' party is $25 per child, minimum of 10 kids, $250 minimum per party. That goes for about an hour and a half. So we can give you that type of general information, and you need to really, really do your careful assessment on your capabilities in this business in your local market. So there's a few variables there, but I can absolutely put my hand on heart and promise that I don't want people involved in this business who aren't going to be really successful. I need to feel like we're developing a great team and not just, blasé sort of run-of-the-mill. So the next step is see if you can get finance, and press the button below in this video and request me to give you a call back. And I'll call you back same day. So press that button, I'll give you a call back, let's have a chat about anything that's come up, anything that's on your mind, and let's just go through the conversation. This might not be the right business for you, or it might be absolutely perfect. And my goal is to have 150 awesome people in the team, and then from that base, build other concepts and build really tight business, smart, simple business. That's my journey. I'd love to speak to you about being part of it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.